Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As usually, my name is Natalie and you're on my channel Home Gardening. Today I want to make a video on how to grow an exotic plants, because I have a lot recently. I have a lot of exotic plants for me. For me they are rather exotic and unusually looking. I'm super lucky because I managed to get a parsley contains a lot of exotic plants, not plants, fruits. I want to show you some of them. Pepino, guava, tomato plant, and the cucumber and orange cucumber. So I actually want to make a series of videos on every fruit, how to grow them from a single seed, because I know that it is very simple to grow them from seed and even to get fruit from your plant. So if you are interested how to grow these fruits from its seed and to have a fruit in the future, please continue watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie and today I want to grow with you one more exotic fruit, and actually I want to grow a plant from this fruit with you today. So my exotic plant, actually fruit for today, is Tamarillo, or also it is known as tomato plant. So today we will be growing this beautiful egg. But first of all, let's try it, of course. Take a sharp knife. Take our plant, cut it in half. Of course, I washed it before. Oh, it's so juicy. It's so wow. It looks like this inside, and it has a smell of tomato, not tomato, strawberry. It smells like a strawberry. Gosh, let's try it. For me, it has a taste of strawberry and currant. Something like this, and a smell of also currant, strawberry, a little like tomato something, fragrance. But yeah, it's rather tasty. Also, it has a lot of seeds inside. It's like green currant and the strawberry, green strawberry, something like this. Okay, now let's plant the seeds, the most exciting part for us gardeners. So here are my seeds. I just collect them and leave them for half an hour to dry out just a little. And now I'm going to plant them. And also I want to tell a few words about this fruit and about a plant Tamarillo. It is best known as the species that bears the Tamarillo, an egg-shaped eatable fruit, and it is also known as the tree tomato. So if you're wanting to grow something a bit more exotic in the landscape, how about growing a tree tomato Tamarillo? Tamarillo tree bloom in early spring, producing fragrant pink flowers. These blooms will eventually give way to small oval or egg-shaped fruit like this, reminiscent of a plump tomatoes, hence the tomato tree's name. Tamarillo is a small growing shrub or semi-woody tree reaching height between from 3 to 5 meters. Learning how to grow a Tamarillo tomato tree is easy with the proper conditions, and tree tomatoes grows best in areas where the temperatures stay about 10 degrees Celsius. But it also can tolerate temperatures as low as -2 degrees Celsius. So if you would like to grow a tree tomato in cooler climates, you will want to keep it in a container so that it can be brought in for the winter time. So now I've already prepared a pot filled up with potting mix. Also, I even labeled it. And now I will plant my seeds directly in the soil. Okay. Actually, these seeds reminds me seeds of a tomato plant. Yeah, and this is it. I just dig my seeds deeper in the soil, so I just have to spray this container with stained water, and that's all. I planted my tomato plant. This is how my Tamarillo is looking after one. So as you can see, I transplanted my Tamarillo plants to individual pots, put them on the brightest windowsill I have in my home, and this is it for now. We'll be waiting, we'll be watching how these beautiful small babies of Tamarillo will be growing and will be developing. So don't forget to subscribe to see the updates video. Stay tuned. Of course, don't forget to give this video a thumb up if you want to see an update video on Tamarillo plant. This is it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm waiting for you in the comments below, and of course I'm waiting for your subscription. Bye!